Mm-mm. Can you make some shots?
Okay. Oh, darn. Oh, drop. That's way out. I know. Look.
Show me some skills.
Oh, so close. Oh, rough. Rough on that one. Ouch, just rough. Woo. Come back here.
Shoot again, Aragorn.
What?
Shoot again.
Darn.
What's happening? You made every shot.
I know I'm shooting from sides. I want to try to impress you.
The pressure's on, man.
I've made one of this
I know, you can do it.
from this side.
Almost, Griff.
Here goes.
Oh, too short.
Oh no.
Double dribble there. One hand until you stop and pass. Nice. Nothing but net.
I made one from this side. Darn.
Oh, almost, Griffin.
Darn.
Yeah, good job.
Why isn't anybody cheering for me? I made it.
I said good job.
Said that to him.
I said it to you when you made it too. Come on, let's just keep shooting. You guys are doing great. Don't be a punk. No one wants to play with a punk.
Woo. Oh.
Almost.
Out of bounds. The grass is out of bounds.
All right. Wave goodbye to the camera.
Do a video of the basketball goal.
That's what I've been shooting this video.
Okay.
One more shot and then wave goodbye. All right.
One more shot for Griffin.
Okay.
Until he makes it. Oh.
Try it with both hands. Get up underneath it. There you go. Nice.
Hey, you little creep.
All right, throw me a V sign.
What?
Throw me a V sign, players.
Woo!
Woohoo!
Block me.
Aw, nice. Rebound.